Years before the last shuttle mission, NASA and all the folks interested in space began talking about the next thing is that would fill the gap between shuttle and COTS. The Russian Progress and Japanese HDV were designed to be gap fillers between shuttle missions. When Discovery returned to space, gap fillers became a part which didn't perform as well as expected. They were even thought of as a danger and had to be removed and discarded. To have a gap, you need to have a space between two like things, and especially for those of us who grew up with Shuttle, there's not likely to be anything as magnificent as Shuttle again. When Shuttle ended, that gap became more like a cliff. Planetary Resources wants to be the first company to mine asteroids. Try telling Peter Diamandis and Eric Anderson that that's a nice gap filler until there's a permanent mining colony on the moon. If I had a COTS company that was trying to be the first to get to the ISS, I'd resent being called a gap filler. Let's stop diminishing that achievement by calling it shuttle replacement or a gap filler and give the first COTS company to make it to the ISS their well-deserved place in history as the first. As for the folks who valiantly tried between the government-run supply missions and the first COTS company to make it to the ISS, well, they can be classified as the ones who attempted to fill the gap. Space Vidcast was the first website on the planet to stream shuttle launches in full HD. They out NASA on the web and TV. Go ahead. Tell Ben that Space Vidcast was a nice gap filler until NASA got its act in gear. Just be sure that I'm on the opposite coast when you do it.